There's something about thick homemade chole masala that just feels right. Simple ingredients but so much flavor. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noida Creations. First I washed 1 cup of chickpeas with plain water and then I soaked it overnight. In the morning I rinsed it 2 times with plain water. Now I'm transferring the chickpeas into a pressure cooker. I'm adding 3.5 cups of water. You may add water as required. Next goes in half teaspoon of salt. Here I have some spices, 1 bay leaf, 1 Kashmiri chili, half inch of cinnamon stick, 2 black cardamoms. Add this to the pressure cooker and mix well. Now we will cover the pressure cooker with the lid and cook on medium flame until 6 whistles come. Next, into a pan we will add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 4 cloves, 5 black peppercorns, 2 Kashmiri chilies, 2 petals of star anise, 1 small piece of mace. We will dry roast these ingredients on medium flame for a few seconds. We will turn off the flame and let these ingredients cool. The spices have cooled down, now I am transferring them into a mixer jar. We will cover the mixer jar with the lid and grind into fine powder. Next, we will remove the spices from the pressure cooker except the chilies. I removed a few boiled chickpeas from the pressure cooker and now I'll mash them. We will keep this aside for now. Here I have 3 tomatoes and 2 onions. We will grind the onions into a fine paste and blend the tomatoes to make the puree. The tomato puree and the onion paste is ready. We'll keep this aside for now. Next, we'll place a kadai on medium flame. Heat some oil in it. Add 1/4 teaspoon of hing, half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Mix it well. Next goes in a few curry leaves. Curry leaves here are optional. If you don't want to add curry leaves, you can skip it. Now we will add the onion paste and stir. The base of a good chole masala always starts with well-cooked onions. Cooking the onions patiently makes the gravy naturally rich. This step gives depth to the entire dish. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 green chili slit, once the onions turn light brown in color, add the tomato puree. Now we will add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of coriander powder, 3/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, and the freshly ground masala. Next goes in half tablespoon of chole masala powder. Mix it well. Add salt and mix. Now add the boiled chickpeas. Soft chickpeas are the heart of this dish. They soak up all the masala beautifully. Mix it well. Add the mashed chickpeas and mix well. This makes the gravy thicker without adding anything extra. Add few coriander leaves and stir. Cover the kadai with the lid and cook for a few minutes. Chole masala tastes best with poori, roti or even plain rice. And here it is. Chole masala is ready. You can see how rich and thick the gravy has become. Each chickpea is coated with masala. This is the kind of curry that makes you go for a second serving. Hot chole with soft puri is hard to resist. It's simple food but so satisfying. Perfect for lunch, dinner or breakfast. This is my simple homely chole masala. Thick, rich and full of comforting flavors. It's the kind of dish that brings everyone to the table and makes the kitchen smell amazing. If you enjoyed cooking this with me, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Noella Creations. Comment below, are you team puri or team rice with chole? I'll see you all in the next recipe. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.